amis and welcome back to La Maison Française de Aradhya, a little French home where our love for this language begins. So in the last video, we learned the basic ER verb rule, remove ER and add the endings, done. But today, we are going one step further. Today, we are meeting a very special group inside the ER verb family, that is GER verbs. Now, GR verbs follow the same rule as regular ER verbs almost. There is just one small change, one tiny little twist that students miss all the time in exam. And by the end of this video, you will never miss it again. So grab your notebook, grab your pen. Oh, come on. Let's begin. Okay, so what is GR verb? The words which end with GR are known as GR verb. For example, manger, to eat, voyager, to travel, nager, to swim. Okay, so now as per the ER verb, what we do? We take the infinitive form of the verb, that is, for example, manger. What we do? We cut the ER from the end. We are left with the radical form of the word, that is, mang, M-A-N-G. Now, what are the endings we put for ER? That is E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. Perfect. Then what do? We write the subject pronoun. Now what we do? We write the radical with each and every sujet. Now my endings are E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. Let's write the meaning of the sentence and do the pronunciation together. Je mange, I eat. Tu manges, you eat. Il mange, elle mange, he, she eats. Nous mangeons, we eat. Vous mangez, you eat. Elle mange, they eat. Did you find something weird when I said nous mangeons? Right? If you will listen the other conjugation, they are very soft. Je mange, tu manges, elle mange. Nous mangeons, vous mangez, elle mange. Now I'll tell you what happened. Now when we write G followed by a O, it makes sound of G hard, like the G in go or get. But in French, this is so important. The G in manger is supposed to sound soft, like G in genre. Okay, a soft, gentle sound. And the rule in French is G sounds soft only when it is followed by E or I. And G sounds hard when it is followed by O, A, U. And G sounds soft when it is followed by E or I. So the solution, how to correct this, nous mangeons, and how to make it softer. So what we do is we simply add an E between G and O. So this now sounds more like nous mangeons. Nous mangeons. That is the only change in all GER verb family. Okay, it's practice time now. So let's dive in. Je dash une pomme. Manger. So what I will do is I will cut the ER, write the radical M-A-N-G. And what are my endings with je, E? So it would be je mange une pomme. Next one. Nous dash of France. Voyager, to travel. So I will cut the ER, write the radical, that is V-O-Y-A-G. And with nous, what are the endings? Remember, it's an GER verb. So we add an extra E in the nous form and then ONS to make it sound softer. Nous voyageons en France. Nous voyageons en France. Tu dash dans la piscine. Nager, to swim. So I will write the radical NAG, cut the ER and write the endings. With you, my endings are ES. Next one, nous dash ensemble manger, to eat. Now I will cut the ER and we are left with MANG. Now what would be our endings? E-O-N-S. Why E-O-N-S? Because we have nous as a subject pronoun. So with nous, we write E-O-N-S. If I write O-N-S, it is wrong. Why? Because when G meets O, the sound becomes very hard, which is so unlike French. Therefore, we insert E between them to make it sound softer. Next one. Elle dash ont été voyager. Voyager means to travel. So I will cut ER and write the endings. With Elle, we have ENT. So Elle voyage ont été. And the last one we have is Nous, très bien, nager, swim. I will write NAG, cut the ER, and my endings with nous is ONS? No, it should be EONS. Why? Because with nous in GER verb, what do we write? EONS. And that's it for today, everyone. You just learned GER verbs. Quick recap before you go. GER verbs have a soft G sound, and to protect that sound, in the nous form, we add an extra E between G and on. Nous mangeons, nous nageons, nous voyageons. Only nous, nothing else changes. That's your rule. Keep it. If this video helped you, please give it a big thumbs up. It truly means everything to this channel. Any doubt, any question, you can drop them in the comment. I read every single one of them. And if you're not subscribed yet, come on now. Join our French family at La Maison Française Aradhya and never miss a lesson. À bientôt. See you in the next video. Au revoir.